is there anything, I know everything kind of ties together for you, but I just want to get your point of view for the viewers here. If you're not doing blank in 2025, you're going to get left behind. What do you think we need to not forget and make sure as we're shifting back a little bit more to acquisition that we really include in the mix?
Yeah, I think it's probably employee engagement. There is a massive problem around employee disengagement through the pandemic, through the remote work phase. A lot of employees just generally are disenchanted, disillusioned, and not fully engaged.
Mm,
And a lot of cultures, I won't name names, but don't really foster that kind of sense of community and belonging. Plus, you've had just tons of layoffs and right sizings and efficiencies and downsizings, which of course hurts morale, not just the folks who are laid off. So I think, companies, if they really want to double down on growth, need to double down on their employees. And that includes marketing, employee engagement programs, putting a spotlight on employees, making sure the leaders are out at the forefront on social media, not just sitting behind, a desk somewhere unseen, unheard of. And so up and down the org structure, just getting employees to engage, to feel part of the brand and the mission, and then put a spotlight on that through social and digital activations and campaigns and, internal and external events. It makes such a difference as having worked in corporate world for 25 years, the companies that have that sense of engagement and the companies who don't, just a stark divide.